city of Prague. Prague is right there. So I'm taking off from there and we are heading to Nuremberg. Join me as we go to where the famous track is, Nuremberg track. Let's go. Though you might encounter some weird things happening. Oh, shit! I off the. My bad. I off the engine instead of removing the light. Oh, I need to stop on the side. Wait, maybe if I go back to lobby. Because whenever you off your engine and then you start it back up, the screen doesn't work. Like the, what's it called again? Like this, the mini map inside the first person view. By the way, I'm taking, what do you call these? What do you call these things? Oh, a motor grader to Nuremberg. I don't know why Nuremberg wants to know a motor grader. I think for their crops or something. So anyway, please don't comment any bad thing. I'm a really bad driver. Because whenever I see my comments of Call of Duty, everybody or some person just say that I'm too bad. I never play Call of Duty. I rarely play Call of Duty. That's why I'm bad, or else I would have never been this bad. I've been a little bit good. Not too good, I'm saying. Little bit. I hope someone sees my video. Some nice person, unlike these people who are always making fun of me today. Why am I in this view, huh? I'm going 130? No, I'm just speeding right now. How fast are those vehicles going, huh? I'm struggling at 130 and they're just chilling at 130. Finally they slowed down and now I'm gonna hit them if I went behind them. So I had to just corner cut. Whee! Some other truck is carrying the same thing as me. Oh, I need to reverse cycle. Oh! I just fixed this truck like 2 seconds ago. Bro flipped across the map. You see that? Oh shit, I'm on low fuel. I hope this is... What is bro trying to do? I hope there's a... Wait, is it? Oh. I don't think there is a fuel station nearby. Shit. I am dead, bro. I should have fueled up back there. Where there was a fuel station before this video. Shit. I better find one. Because this thing won't last any longer. I know this thing. Why am I slowing down? Oh, there is none, bro. Oh, come on. Why am I always hit with bad luck, bro? A tunnel? Oh, a mini one. Bruh. I better keep my speed low. I don't know why. If there is no fuel station nearby, I'm gonna be so damn mad. Come on, fuel station. When I was was coming towards Prague, I saw some fuel station like 2 miles away. Bro, stay in your lane. Stop coming in mine. Or else I'll just knock you out. Take that, idiot. Coming in my lane and then... Okay. What is that? Is that a toll post? Bro, acted like a toll gate. If there is one nearby, I'm gonna be so happy. This actually happened to me in real life once. When I was traveling to another city, my dad's car ran out of fuel. So right next to the toll post, like 1-2 kilometer or mile, whatever you say it, there was literally a damn a fuel pump, gas station. I am so mad, I'm so low on fuel. Will you speed up a little? 100. Please just suggest, should I speed up if I'm low on fuel or not? Because I'm really newbie to this game. I'm still having the worst truck in the game. This is the worst truck. It only costs 10k. And the first, instead of buying that other truck that the game demands you, buy this one. It's like in the Scania section, the 1995 one. Why is it zipping me towards the wall? Is it... What even on this? Oh, downhill. I can just remove my speed and just chill. Oh, up? Wait, is that a fuel station? Do you see that up there, guys? No, it's not. It's a damn shit thing. Is that a fuel station? Oh, hell no.
2,000 years later.
What the? I have come for the Wookie? More like Dookie, bro. You can speed up if you don't like this process. That's a fuel station! No, come on! The fuel station is...
I'm on 6%.
So, anyways, just ignore the background noise. That's a damn fuel station! Come on! I wish I could just jump over this. Is the... I see one nearby. Do you see that? Do you see that fuel station? No, there's no fuel station. That's the only one, bro. Is that a fuel station? That's not a fuel station. This is resting area, bro. He's baldwin. I don't want to take that exit and go back. It's going to take me so much time. So I'm just going to go and let's see how long it takes. So, anyways, tell me what part of the video you like the most at the end, okay? Just write down the part where you like the most. And by the way, if you want to know my channel's name, it's not Clueless, the Clueless Gamer. It is Warfruit. Then you'll find the Clueless Gamer because my old name is still registered on my new name, so it's gonna ask for that. If you search for the Clueless Gamer, it'll be some random other group who played like 13 years ago. I tried once and that's what it showed, bro. Why are all the trucks in this game, all the AI trucks in this game like bouncing? I am so mad I'm low on fuel. Not my fault that I'm on low on fuel. I am so damn close to Nordberg, bro. Wait, is that a fuel station? It is? Yes, it is! Let's go! much I have to pay? This is why I hate. I lost $6,000, bro. I was literally on 6,000. I lost that. I wasted so much time, bro. I regret even coming here. Being chilling. I'm on full fuel. So now it's time to speed away to Nuremberg and deliver this stupid tractor or whatever shit. Let's just lower down my axle. Do you see the 4? Now it's moving. Ta-da! I hope someone sees this video and likes it. I'll do anything for 1 like. Make 1 like on this video. Okay, I'm speeding. I hope the police don't. Shut. One second, guys. I'm recording. Hey, 1 second. My sister is being an asshole. Okay, anyways. Idiot. What is this idiot trying to do in my way? Bruh. Anyways, as I was saying, we are so damn close, and if we lose this, if they don't pay us enough, I'm gonna rage so hard, and I'm gonna literally end up destroying this game. For once. Oh hell no. I'm speeding. I hate. Oh, finally. Good job.
This guy was Pro 2 and I'm Pro 3 in Call of Duty. I beat him again. Wait, why did you delete Call of Duty?
I didn't delete, huh? What do you mean?
Why did you delete it?
On purpose.
Oh, purpose, thank you. Thank you. I'm just gonna play Infinite Alchemist in the meanwhile.
Knife edging through trucking. In a trucking game, we like. Knife edging, we like.
Can you move for a second? Why is
White lining, we like in trucking games.
Santa
White
Claus
lining.
an hour time? I have time on this.
Bro, move your ass.
Can you
What
move-
is this fat
can you
ass
move
doing
your ass?
in anyways.
So I have this many from here.
Oh, he,
Yeah, from here. Okay, Santa Claus. So, ooh, I made Christmas.
look at this. Bye bye. Here comes John Cena. I just destroyed that van back there. LOL. Bro, stuck. Anyways, how close we are to Nuremberg. I bet that's full of oil and it's gone. Say hello, America, to poor
What
oil.
version? With our style.
America be like, why is my oil 15 minutes late?
This doesn't make sense.
Sorry, your oil exploded.
Yeah. And this
Oh shit! Oh, wrap up! Ooh.
You okay there?
I hit some dude.
One to the fucking wall. Yeah.
Oh hell no!
You need
My
a
truck
driving
is in a
license.
terrible condition.
So, how about
come
curse?
on.
Wait, curse is curse.
Going so fast, the game will glitch.
Anyways, I'm just gonna play some Call of Duty or whatever.
Oh,
Call
and
of
now,
Duty
oh
Mobile.
god! Now I gotta take this. Shit!
Do you know how to drive?
I know how to drive. I was going in like 100 kilometers. What would you expect when you were going going 100 kilometers. You will crash, obviously. Duh. Come on, brake! Idiotic machine, piece of shit.
Bro. Look at my rank. Look at my rankers.
Bro, what is this dude trying to do in my lead? Did you see that? Did you guys see that in the rear window? He came in my lane and knocked him out and he went upside down. Anyways, time to destroy some more people and lose my brain cells while doing that.
Anyways, I'm just gonna play an MP match. I'm on 5%. I'm on negative. There go. Ooh, crossfire. Not bad, but I'm losing this. Because of my
Okay. Anyways, I have my mom's sister's what you call it? Son here. Say hi.
Hi.
What?
You can say your cousin, bro.
Sorry, bro, I forgot.
Special ops. My sniper, Lisa.
Anyways, he also has a channel. Please subscribe to him. Ian Gamings.
What do you forgot?
By the way, he has 400 subs and I have only 17.
Sniper is
Bruh.
Sniper is good. Like me, I'm a sniper.
But I'm still goated with him.
I'm a sniper. Wait,
Imagine a truck going 120 in a city.
Oh my Buddha. Oh my
End up destroying the city. Nuclear bomb incoming. I'm going 130, and I'm in the city. 130, watch.
I see another sniper.
Oh,
Bro, we saw another sniper.
130, help!
There was
Oh,
another
watch out, idiots! Your boy, engine, shit.
COD mobile or COD Warzone?
Mobile.
Call of Duty or mobile?
Oh shit, I need to brake.
Yeah, get the sniper.
Okay, put my shoes. I need to brake. I have arrived to my destination. I've arrived to my destination.
My bomb is the best.
And totally didn't crash a million times because of this Volkswagen in front of my ass. Take that Volkswagen. Nobody likes you.
There's another sniper. Shit.
Look at this, how fast I'm going on this speed bump.
Bro, you need to
Calm.
park there.
Oh shit. Clear way of drifting and going to your position.
I see snipers.
The farmers asking, why is my tractor broken? Ask the driver. I think I might have hit some people. Okay, guys. Let this ad finish and then we'll end the video here. Oh, hell no. I better mute this, bro. I don't want to hear this shit, bro.
Yeah.
What is this?
It's your shit.
Yep. Wait,
If
2
I die
seconds.
again, I'll give it.
Bro.
Wait, that's it. I'm gonna use my echo
Bruh.
gun. That's it. My echo and my card skin.
Let's go.
I have
Totally
so
did
many-
crash a million times to make my truck go.
Yeah.
Look at this.
We-
Look at the health of my
Let's go.
truck.
This is the best.
Look at the health of my truck, guys. Can you see that? At the bottom, where the thermometer is.
Bro.
It's literally about to break. Better go fix it. How much money do you have? 8,000!
Bro.
I just need if I have 10,000, I just need 25 more thousand to get my dream truck. I'll show you what is it. You'll
gonna get the
truck dealer.
A purifier.
Shut up.
I don't like
Anyway,
purifier.
not this shit. Not this too. Nope, not this. Any of this. No shit, no. None of this. This thing.
Bro.
This thing. Or if I didn't get that, if I didn't get it, I'll get this one.
This is so fire, bro.
This one.
Yeah, this is so fire.
I'll get this one most probably because it's 30,000. 35,000. So I just need 25,000 more. And I need to fix my truck. If you want a part 2, make sure you like and subscribe. See you guys later. Your boy Clueless.